Hello internet, hello YouTube, hello, how are you doing today? How do you like this one? I think this one might work. I am having a fantastic day. We are going to be opening up February 2020 Lashybox. For those of you that are not familiar with Lashybox, it's a box that gives you lashes. Lashybox runs $13.99, usually includes 3 to 4 lashes as well as a beauty product. So let's open it up and see what I got included for the month of February. Oh, and before we move any further, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're interested in actually subscribing to Lashybox, I'll actually put a link down below. So opening up Lashybox, first thing I have included is a palette. Okalan, and it's a 16 color shadow palette. They don't have any card included, so I'm actually just going to look up the pricing online. I tried tracking this Okalan 16 color shadow palette down. It doesn't look like it's on the website any longer, but from what I can tell on websites that no longer carry it, it was $10. So I'm just going to run an estimate of $10 on this one. And that is the palette. It looks really pretty. These colors are super bright. And it looks like it's a mix of mattes and shimmers. Whoa, that one has a lot of pigment on it. That blue has a lot of pigment as well. Ooh, I really like the blues a lot better than the warmer tones. So those are all the shadows in the palette. Right here is like, I think the cream of the crop. And then it just starts to fade out a little bit on these ends. Not the best with the shimmers. I definitely prefer the mattes, and they're just like average. The shimmers are subpar on this palette. This is what I'm looking like from afar. I really don't have much to say. I mean, for $10, I'm not really expecting that much. Definitely has pigment. They blend well together. You definitely need a white base for this particular eyeshadow, and I didn't put one on. I just used my NYX pigment primer. So I have my face all done. So we have lashes from Lashybox, and these are 3D silk lashes. First date. I love the packaging, the little hollow reflection, and these are so cute. But that does look super full. I'm excited to try that one out. And their silk lashes run $9.99. Oh, these ones look super cute. Look at that. And these are from Candy Lashes. They're in this style ring pop. So cute. That's the back of it with all their social media information. Adorable. These normally run $9.99. Looks like they are on sale on their website for $5.99 if you're interested in doing that. But they're normally $9.99. Ruby May Lashes. Ooh, and those ones are cute too. Ruby May 3D 06. It's a little banged up. I was trying to close the back and apparently Ruby May got in the way. Usually their lashes run $9.99 on average, so I'm just gonna go with that on this one. But those are cute too. I am just in love with this pack this month. Last is another Lashybox, but with Valentine's hearts on it, so this must be a Valentine's Day special packaging. They like stuck a little Lashybox thing right there. That's hilarious. Oh, well, Lashybox did used to be called something else before, so that's probably why. This might be old packaging that they were using. That's pretty funny. Sweetheart. So still $9.99. I'm actually going to go with the Lashybox 3D Silk Lashes. And as I use the other lashes, I'll put a little card up there if you're interested in seeing how those wear as well. So every Lashybox box actually comes with a little thing of glue included. And these are what the lashes look like up close and personal. They're actually a lot more natural looking than I thought. They're not really that fluffy, but they're not super stiff. The band was thinner, which I appreciate, and was really easy to apply. And I think I'm getting better because it doesn't look like absolute crap. So that's good. And that's it. That's the video. Have a good one. Bye.